For a party that ruled Maharashtra just a decade ago, the Congress party has just scripted its worst ever performance in the state, proving once again to be a disastrous deadweight, sinking the Maha Vikas Aghadi alliance and facilitating a thunderous BJP-powered landslide in the state. Just 6 months after humbling the BJP in the Lok Sabha elections in Maharashtra and helping the Aghadi capture 30 out of 48 seats, the Congress has proven to be just the opposite in the assembly fight, proving to be a devastating weak link. After the humiliation in Haryana, an election widely seen as the Congress's for the taking, the Maharashtra humiliation will sting the party worse. Considering the grand old party was still seen as enjoying momentum from the Lok Sabha surprise and the multitude of local issues on which to fight, from farmer distress over soya-bean crops to unemployment.
It is not a believable result which came so far. But anyway, we are examining deeper way with the Maha Vikas Aghadi coalition parties.
But a brutal truth has reared its ugly head once again. The Congress party's strategy has not only failed to resonate, but has also exposed its chronic inability to adapt to the political realities of a rapidly evolving state. Rahul Gandhi, who spent his few days in Maharashtra, expended his energies with attacks on the Adani Group, a cornerstone of his national strategy, but failed to strike a chord in Maharashtra. The state's electorate, heavily influenced by industrial and business interests, likely saw this as disconnected from local concerns.
हमारे लिए अप्रत्याशित हैं, हमारे लिए अति आश्चर्यपूर्ण, और मैं समझता हूं ये भी कहा जा सकता है, ये अकथनीय है.
While corruption allegations against corporate giants make for strong headlines, the average voter in Maharashtra likely prioritized economic development and tangible benefits over rhetorical crusades against billionaires. The Congress's attempt to weaponize the Dharavi redevelopment project, criticizing the BJP for awarding contracts to the Adani Group, was likely seen as obstructionist rather than constructive. The Aghadi's embarrassing showing in the Mumbai area reflects this.
हिंदुस्तान का संविधान.
While the BJP fought a hyper-localized election with seat management, Rahul Gandhi brandished the constitution and repeatedly warned that the BJP was endangering the constitution. An approach that clearly failed to connect with a wider electorate more concerned with immediate issues like jobs, inflation and infrastructure. With nearly all its leading faces, including Balasaheb Thorat, former CM Prithviraj Chauhan and Yashomati Thakur defeated, the writing on the wall could not be angrier. Fear-mongering about abstract threats to democracy without a clear connection to voters' daily lives seemed out of touch with ground realities. Maharashtra's deeply entrenched caste dynamics presented an opportunity for Congress to galvanize support. Yet, the Congress approach lacked nuance and cohesion, allowing the BJP to outmaneuver it. Latching onto Maharashtrian pride, the Congress tries to exploit the narrative of Maharashtra losing industrial projects to Gujarat under BJP rule. But that argument backfired too. BJP successfully showcased Maharashtra's continued growth as an economic powerhouse. But at the heart of Congress's failure lies a minimum vision maximum complacency problem. Something that not only alienated voters but also strained the Aghadi alliance, with partners quietly resenting Congress's inability to pull its weight. All the gains from the Lok Sabha surprise now lie in tatters for the Congress. With elections in Delhi around the corner, it has very little time to pick itself up.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.